Okay, let's talk about the reciprocals of numbers. So what does the reciprocal of a number mean? It means we're basically switching the numerator and the denominator. So how do we take the reciprocal of a whole number? First of all, remember that a whole number is 16 or whatever that number is over 1. So this is really 16 over 1. The reciprocal is we have the numerator and the denominator switch places. The 1 goes on top, 16 goes on the bottom, and that's our reciprocal. What about 3 over 5? That's a little easier because it's already in fraction format. This becomes 5 over 3. So we got 1 over 16 here, and this will stay as an improper fraction, 5 over 3. All right, so again, reciprocal of 4 over 1 and 5 over 6. For 4 over 1, these guys switch places and we get 1 over 4. For 5 over 6, they switch places and we get 6 over 5. So this becomes 1 over 4. This becomes 6 over 5. All right, same deal, 11 over 8. And I'm going to write that 5 as 5 over 1. Now let's switch it and switch it. And we get 8 on top, 11 on the bottom. And here we're going to switch these as well, and we're going to get 1 over 5. Over 5.